Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be the very first beauty subscription box unboxing for March, and it's a little bit early and it is Look Fantastic. This box is absolutely stunning. I haven't seen no spoilers whatsoever, so I didn't have a clue what we were getting. So if you're new to Look Fantastic, as always, I will give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you just want to see what I received inside this month's box, then I will add a timestamp in the comments so that you're free to flick forward. So Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £15 a month. You can cancel anytime, and it ships worldwide for free as well. Also, they offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription, and I have a refer a friend code that will entitle you to 10% off a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription. Everything related to this box, links, the refer a friend code, etc. will be listed down below. So if you click on the show more, that will bring up the description and everything will be down there if you want to know a little bit more, or if you're interested in subscribing for yourself. So every month you get 6 beauty items. They tend to be a little bit more on the skincare heavy side of things. So if you're really into your skincare, then I'm sure you would love this box. I've been with Look Fantastic for over a year now. I've only just recently started receiving PR, but I also keep my original subscription running. So this is actually a PR box, so when I receive my subscription in the next week, then I'll be keeping that and putting it up for giveaways either on my Facebook page, which is Diary of a 40-something, or on my Instagram page, which is Diary of 40-something. So same but without the A. It's a long story, but anyway, I will link that down below as well if you're interested to follow me on any of those. You get a good mix of full size, and you get travel size, and you get samples as well. You also get quite high-end beauty products, which I really love, because obviously, you know, they cost a little bit of money, so you don't want to be spending like 50, 60, 70 pound on something if you are not going to like it. So I think this box is perfect if you want to try more higher ended products then. But you tend to get more travel size or samples. You never ever get like tiny sachets or nothing like that. No teeny tiny samples, but a good, like, I'd say deluxe or minis and etc. But you do get the odd full size item as well. I think that's it as far as information about the box is concerned. So let's open it up and see what you got. It is really heavy this month. It's not normally this heavy. It just says get ready to steal the spotlight. So inside we always get a booklet, and it's more like a mini magazine, so it tells you everything related to this box, what the products are, and tells you a little bit about them, etc. It doesn't tell you the price, but I will seek that out and I'll put that up on the screen just to give you an idea. Plus I like to find out the overall value, the cost of the box, considering you're paying £15. Generally you're looking around £70 plus for the box normally, then, from memory anyway. So also in here you get things like interviews, and it also tells you products that they are selling on their website, because Look Fantastic, if you don't know, is a massive beauty website. So as well as the beauty products, you also get a subscription to Elle magazine. So this magazine here, you have it every single month, and it normally costs £4.50. So if you like your fashion and beauty magazines, then I'm sure you would like that as well. So a nice big hefty magazine there. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful packaging. I know what one of the items is because I got really excited last month, and it's because it's a product that I use all the time. So yeah, really excited. So I'm just, I'll show you first. Put it down to the side of me. I'll pick an item up, show you, and then refer back to the little leaflet here. So does it have a sneak peek for next month? So I can't see a sneak peek. Normally there is one on the back, but it just says introducing the Look Fantastic Beauty Egg, and it's coming out for, I'm assuming it's Easter, isn't it? So normally you get a sneak peek to see what next month is going to be, but they're just showing you like limited edition boxes. Theme for this month is in the spotlight, and it says we're shining a spotlight on some of our favourite beauty products, trends, and sharing our longer subscribers beauty tips and tricks. All right then, so let's go and see what their items are. First item is a box. What's this? Mordara Organic Skincare Smart Anti-Pollution Charcoal and Mud Repair Mask. Oh wow, target signs of aging and detoxes. Oh, I like that. I like the idea of that. So that's what the outer packaging looks like. So this looks like a travel size, I'd say, maybe. It's 12.5 mils. So a little one there. Yeah, it's black. It's black. I'm not going to put it on my hands because it's a mask. So let's see what the information says. So we got a Madara Smart Anti-Pollution Charcoal and Mud Repair Mask. Purify and decongest the complexion with this detoxifying treatment mask infused with antioxidants, vitamins and essential minerals. Harnessing the power of charcoal and black northern mud, this face mask draws out dirt, impurities and pollution buildup, leaving the complexion radiant and revitalised. Oh wow, that sounds really interesting. Okay, it just says put it onto clean skin, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and then thoroughly rinse. We use 2 to 3 times a week. So no, that would be really nice to try. So yeah, so that's our first item. It's the sneak peek that we had last month and I love it. It is so good and I'm so happy to see the brand The Ordinary in beauty boxes. I think this is the very first time I've seen one. Any surveys I fill in on subscription boxes, I say put The Ordinary in. It's cheap, you know, it's not high end, but they're so good. They are so good. This is hyaluronic acid, 2% plus B5. I was going to say B12 then, it's not, it's B5. Everyone makes hyaluronic acid in their bodies, in their skins, but as we age, it decreases. It's to aid hydration in the body. So by adding it into our skincare regime, it's just rehydrating. It plumps out fine lines. It's a great base to apply for the skincare. In my skincare routine, for instance, I use a facial spray. It's a Neod one. And then I use this hyaluronic acid. Then I use a serum. Then I use a moisturizer and an oil mix. And that's my daily skincare. And I've been using this for about 2-3 years. I've got one on the go, it's down there somewhere now, can't find it. They cost, well, it'll be up on the screen, but they cost about £5-6. Got 30 mils there, and yeah, I just love it. I can definitely tell that it does plump out fine lines and stuff. My face doesn't look as dry. So yeah, if you haven't used this, I definitely recommend adding it to your skincare regime. So the information, is there anything extra that I haven't told you about? Treat your complexion to a moisture boost with this intensely hydrating serum packed full of hyaluronic acid to deliver long-lasting moisture. The serum acts as a hydration support formula to leave skin smooth, plump and youthful looking. So yeah, so that's the second item, so I'm chuffed for that because I don't need to buy another one for a while. Next we've got Diaryofabeautygeek, if I've said that right, and it's a cleansing foam. Okay, we've had a few products from this brand, mainly in this box I think. I don't think we've had it in any other boxes, and the brand is quite nice from the products I've tried. So this is 30 mils, so a cleansing foam. Oh wow. Remove makeup and impurities without stripping the skin with this gentle foaming cleanser devoid of harmful sulfates, containing white lupin to energize the skin and detoxifying copper glyconate. Skin will be left fresh and clear. Lightly moisten face and apply a pearl size amount. It says editor's tip, massage into damp skin with circular motion to stimulate circulation and blood flow. So no, I'm really chuffed to try that. So that's our third item. Fourth, we've got a ball. Oh, it's EOS, Evolution of Smooth, Visibly Soft, Lasting Hydration Lip Care. Oh, okay, I've seen these in Superdrug. I'm not sure the prices or anything of them. Right, excuse the lipstick. I need to get that off. It's so cute. It's a little lip balm, look. It's a little lip balm and you've got a little indent there. Is it just apply or has it got a thing on it? Oh, it smells of vanilla. Oh, that is really nice. I can't try it because I've got a ton of lipstick on my lips. But no, that is super smart. It's just like a little egg, look. Can you see there properly? So this is EOS or EOS lip balm. Achieve perfectly soft lips with this handy lip balm enriched with moisturizing shea butter and conditioning oils to give you softer and nourished lips. Certified 100% organic and natural, this hypoallergenic lip balm is an essential for the cooler months. Applied to lips for a boost of moisture. Products may vary. So in the book we've got a purple one, so I don't know what that one is, but we might get different ones. So I've got this one and I'm quite chuffed to that one. I love the smell of it. So no, so that's our fourth item, I think. Next we've got, what is this? Oh, we've got a Morphe product. Gosh, have we had a Morphe? I don't think we've ever had a Morphe product before. Ooh, what is it? So it's a high impact highlighter illuminator in shade Spark. Let me know down below if we've ever had a Morphe product. I don't think we have. Oh, I like that though. I do like Morphe's hit and miss, I've got to be honest. Some items, same with Makeup Revolution with me. Some items I absolutely love, but other items, I wouldn't rate that much. Same with Morphe. Wow, I don't think I own a Morphe highlighter. I can't open it. Oh, that is just the colour I go for. Look like a gold sort of highlight. Let's see, let's try it. Actually using a Morphe brush, a Morphe Jeffree Star brush. Whoa. That is nice. Oh yeah, you can see there. Oh, that is pretty. That is really pretty. It's quite gold and shimmery, but oh, that's so pretty. I do really like it. It says Morphe Mini Highlighter in Spark. Achieve luminous skin with this prismatic highlighter. With an innovative formula, this weightless highlighter delivers high shine in a perfect golden hue. This highlighter is an essential for making the complexion appear radiant and glowy, which is what I love. Glowy and radiant is what I go for. So no, I'm really happy with this. So yeah, so what's it say? Dust over prominent areas on the face, including cheekbones, nose, bridge of nose, brow bone and cupid's bow. So no, really chuffed with that. So that's our 5th item. We've got one more item left, which is a Rituals product. Oh, if you've been a subscriber on my channel for a while, you know I absolutely adore Rituals. Rituals and Cause, they're my favourite brands for skincare. Yeah, for like body care then, like body lotions and stuff. So what is this? The Ritual of Sakura. And it's celebrate each day as a new beginning. Oh, it's a hand balm. Okay, cherry blossom and rice milk. So this is 70 mils. Oh, whoa, I can try this on my hands. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it just smells gorgeous. I just love them. And it's a sort of, they're the brands that, you know, they linger on your skin. They're not too sweet and sickly, not too strong. They're just really nice. Oh, I love that. It is quite sweet smelling, but it's cherry blossom, isn't it? So it is like that. But no, it feels really, really nice in my hands. Just sniffing it. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is really nice. No, so what's it say in here then? So it says, relieve dry and tired hands with this rich and luxurious soothing hand balm, harnessing the powers of shea butter and organic rice milk. This balm replenishes and rejuvenates hands with a subtle fragrance that relaxes the senses. Carefully massage into hands and cuticles. Apply before bed for soft hands in the morning. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up. So those are all the items there. So we've got Omarovichska facial cleanser. We've got an EOS lip balm. We've got the Ordinary, it's a hyaluronic acid serum. Then we've got a Madara Smart face mask, and we've got a Morphe highlighter, and we've got a Rituals hand cream there, hand lotion. So what have we got? We've got a bit of everything, haven't we? So yeah, we've got a bit of everything. So mainly skincare heavy, as I've said. It tends to be. We've got one little makeup item there, but I absolutely adore this month's box. The box design on its own is really, really pretty and definitely a keepsake box. But the products as well, I love this highlighter. I think it is so, so pretty. And I know I love the Ordinary because I buy this. I've been buying it for years. And yeah, the hand lotion is so, so nice. The mask, don't know what it's like, but I'll give it a go. And the cleansing balm, I love a cleansing balm. I go through them, obviously, like anything. I tend to not buy them because I get a lot of them in different subscription boxes, so I like trying different ones out. And we got a little balm here, which is lovely, really cute. I'm really impressed with this month's box. I haven't got anything negative to say. Now I try to give you a good all-rounder type view. There's like some months are better than others. I think the January box I wasn't that keen on. There's a few items that I'd already had weren't suitable for my skin, so you know, I am honest with my reviews. But so I would tell you if there's anything I didn't like or if I wasn't excited, then you would know about it. When it comes to subscription boxes, we are all different. What I might like, you might think is a load of pants, so you might not be interested in this box whatsoever. Look Fantastic is one of my favourites, alongside Glossybox as well. I think those two are the ones I've been with the longest, and they're the two cheapest ones that I've got. And yeah, I just think for Look Fantastic, it's just like a treat. It is. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I encourage you to write down below your thoughts, because I love to know. Don't ever feel awkward if you've got completely different views to my own, because you know, we are entitled to our own opinion. We are completely different. I'd love to know what you think of it and if you like it as well. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.